Hello everyone, I'm Amir from Third Eye Surveillance. Today I'm going to show you how to set up motion detection on your Hikvision DVR. Once you're logged in and you are on full screen mode, do a right click with your mouse and go to menu. Then click on configuration on top of your page. Then on the left hand side, look for event. Click on that, then click on normal event. Once you are in this page, make sure the right camera is selected. Mine is number 1. Then make sure enable is on. Hikvision by default might draw a line for you. You need to clear that. Once it's cleared, click on draw area. It will give you a pen with 10 points to draw your new area. While you drawing the new area, make sure you don't cross a line like this. Otherwise, Hikvision wouldn't let you to apply it. Once the area drawn, do a right click to confirm it and then apply. On the right hand side, you can increase or decrease the sensitivity, but I'm going to leave it on 60 for now. Then you can determine the detection target. I only want to detect human, so I'm going to uncheck vehicle. Once I did that, I apply it. Then I go to arming schedule. By default is 24/7. But let's say there are certain hours we don't want to detect any motion. I'm gonna click on clear. Then, for example, Saturday and Sunday from 8 in the morning till 8 at night, we don't want to get any detection. So I'm gonna clear this area and I'm gonna apply it. So you won't get any notification or cameras will not detect any target during these hours. Then I'm gonna go to linkage action and I'm gonna check the notify surveillance center and I'm gonna apply it. Once it's done, your motion detection is configured. The only thing is left, you gotta make sure your Hikvision app is connected to your DVR, which if you have not done it yet, just watch my other video. In less than 2 minutes, I'll show you how to do it. If you have any problem, just give us a call or drop us a text on WhatsApp. Visit our website, our contact details in there. Thank you.